onto the smaller one. That is pencil cactus. Yes, pencil cactus. Then some Euphorbia species also are there. This is Euphorbia species, ma'am. Then we have got Opuntia also, ma'am. This is Opuntia. Then again same Nagfani, we call it prickly pear oblique Nagfani. So approximately 40 species, they are native of Jaisalmer oblique Thar desert. So out of these 40, we have got 10 placed on the either side of the pathway. This is jumping chola, ma'am. This is again specific to this place only.
Sure.
Yes. This is there in Kuldhara also, ma'am. You can
When
see.
we look at cactus, we look at one full solid.
Yes.
So we don't see it na alag.
So approximately 10 species are there along this path, and in addition to that, we have got additional species which are there inside the garden.
This is called boxing glove.
Yes, this is boxing glove.
This is called pencil.
This is Thor, ma'am. Thor.
Thori.
Thor, yes.
And
This is prickly pear.
prickly pear and क्या बोला आपने?
Nagfani.
Nagfani.
So as we enter the arrival plaza, ma'am, we have got two attractions over here, ma'am. Onto our right, we can see this is Madagascar palm. We call it Madagascar palm, but it is not a palm. This is actually a cactus, part of a succulent family.
Fat in the trunk becomes a little.
Yes, ma'am. All those plants which they store water inside their trunk oblique leaf, they are known as succulents. And all the cactuses, they are succulents, but not all the succulents, they are cactus.
They're not.
So this is one Madagascar palm, native of Madagascar, now cultured in India also. And we have taken it from one of the nursery there in Kadiyam. From Kadiyam it has been brought out to this place. Onto our left, we can see another beautiful plant. This is 100-year-old bonsai of olive.
Wow, nice.
This is olive plant, olive green, we all wear.
Oh yeah. So where do we bring this?
This is basically from Spain. It was imported to India from Spain and through Kadiyam.
This is there. Beautiful.
So how many species are maximum in one region? Like how many cactuses? Let's say there's Thar has 40. So which region has the maximum?
Maximum is actually in India. Maximum are from Thar deserts only.
Nice.
And in addition, some hilly region of mountainous regions also there's some species there. Yeah,
Where
dry.
I come from, वहाँ पे थोर बोलते हैं.
Yes.
हमारे भी होता है cactus.
Yes.
Himachal,
Himachal, Uttarakhand there.
And then Leh, Ladakh and all must be having.
Yes, ma'am. They are also having.
do we
But
have
they're different species. But actually, rearing them in this climate will be
Climate
slightly
will not-
difficult, ma'am.
climate will
So I'll be telling it to you subsequently how we have
Climate,
done something to grow them in this type of region. Now, ma'am, this complete area is divided into 5 distinct areas for growing 5 distinct varieties. So first variety, we can see all the cactuses. Onto our left, we can see a bun. This bun is all along the perimeter. This is again man-made bun. This was not there earlier.
Yeah.
Approximately 7 to 8 feet high. And over the bun, we have got the plantation of date palm, Indian date palm.
Nice.
So Indian date palm, this is ornamental species of Indian date palm that has been planted. Along the bund, we have got a perimeter pathway. On the right side, basically in inner side of the pathway, we have got the plantation of bottle palm.
Nice.
In addition, we can see in front of us, there are 3 distinct structures. First is onto our left, that is a glass house. Second is poly house on the extreme left, and onto our right, near distance, we have got poly house number 2. So these structures we are using for growing the cactuses and succulent species which are not native of this place, basically exotic cactuses.
Nice.
This glass house that contains 192 species of exotic cactuses.
Wow.
These cactuses, they have been brought into this place from all over India. Specifically from Kalimpong, you must be knowing Kalimpong has got a culture, they have got a garden also which is dedicated to grow cactuses and succulents. In addition, Pune, Kadiyam, Nasik and Ahmedabad, these plants they have been brought in from there. Onto that polyhouse number 1, which I have indicated onto the left, we have got the succulent as well as bonsai. We call it bonsai bay. We have got a collection of approximately 51 bonsais inside that of 35 different species.
Oh, nice.
Onto our right, this is the succulent section. We have got 164 species of succulents, oblique Largestomia indica. This is the topiary made up of 8 different plants.
Wow.
And this has been trained for last 15 years in this shape.
Wow.
So the trunk is not the design made up of iron or
Yeah, it's,
this is training.
yes.
Yes, ma'am. This has been trained for last 15 years. This plant is known as Pride of India. It has got yellowish and pinkish flowers.
And where was it before? Where was it being?
It was there in
curated?
Pune.
Nice.
From Pune, we have taken. One is from Pune and one is from Shirdi. The second one I will be showing it to you subsequently.
Lovely.
So this mound, you can see, in addition to Pride of India, we have got the plantation of agave species.
Yes.
Overall, we have got 40 different species of agave flowers only once in its lifetime.
When it's
And
about to die.
yes, ma'am. That is approximately 35 to 40 years.
Yes,
in
that's
of
the
age.
life.
Yes, that is the life of.
So like a red flower or something?
Yellowish flowers, ma'am. A long trunk is there. Inflorescence, we say, and at the top of.
Yes. The one which we have.
Onto our right, ma'am. This plant. This is the Kalpavriksha. Kalpavriksha, Adansonia designing.
So what is this? Which plant?
This is
Kalpavriksha.
Kalpavriksha.
Nice.
Okay.
Yes.
I'll tell you an interesting fact about Kalpavriksha. Kalpavriksha, during this Samudra Manthan, this Parijat tree that came out, and that is actually the Kalpavriksha. However, nowadays the living Kalpavriksha is again in Uttarakhand. This is a 1200-year-old mulberry tree in Joshimath. That is known as Kalpavriksha.
Kalpavriksha.
However, the living species which is known as Kalpavriksha is Adansonia digitata. So this is the same plant. And
Baobab?
yes, African baobab.
African baobab,
Yes,
same
yes,
species?
yes.
तो अपने वालों की ट्रंक तो इतनी मोटी नहीं होगी जितना उनका होता है.
Because it may, because
Slow.
of the lack of water,
Yeah.
because they store water because of the environment.
So to survive. So
yes.
that's why they stop.
It rains a lot more in Africa.
This is the same species.
This same species. However, I think the trunk will not be growing that much because water scarcity will not be taking place.
So it doesn't have to.
So yes, so that is going to happen. What we are
We
expecting.
have a big one also which will.
We'll be
Oh, nice.
showing that.
पूरा हाँ यहीं पर ही है.
That approximately 40-year-old we have here.
So the Parijat is actually Parijat is the one.
Yes, Parijat is that was the Kalpavriksha, but the mythology says that Indra he has taken.
Beautifully done, huh? How nice.
So we have got a collection of 192. This is orange moon. Basically, this is moon cactus. Three different
Beautiful,
colors.
huh?
You can see yellow color, pink color, and orange color in front of you, ma'am. This design has been. There was a designer.
So this is the.
This is this golden ball cactus. We'll be showing that. That is also this stand is also made up of this golden ball only.
Very
So
color.
yes.
So this is native to which area?
This is grafted now. Actually, there are two different plants. This trunk is different and top is different.
Acha.
So this is grafted one, and after grafting, this
Then
top
this-
only will
then
grow,
this
and this base will not be growing.
Acha, that will stay like.
Yes. So
How big does it grow?
it can approximately a feet.
Acha,
A
that's all.
feet high. However, there will be reproduction on the top. So yellow
Nice.
color oblique this colored plant. There will
That
be
will be just on top.
reproduction. Yes, that will be. So you can see with all the plants, we have got this QR code based boards placed.
Acha. So you can
additional
study.
information, yes.
Yeah, you can study.
So we have the data, a text file in English as well as 6 audio files in 6 different languages.
Other languages.
That includes Hindi, English, French, German, Spanish,
Oh,
and
nice.
Russian.
Now nice.
So this is for that.
Do they remain like this size?
They will grow. They will grow. However, all those plants which are at the center, they are likely to grow vertically.
Bigger.
And other plants, they will be growing
Slow,
horizontally
lower.
also and slightly smaller. Yes, roundish. So approximately a baseball and subsequently a watermelon size we can expect, which are on the
That's why you
periphery.
spaced it out.
Yes, yes. The star cactus we call it. This is Parodia species.
Yeah, lovely.
Beautiful. Yes.
In winters, fogging will be enough.
Yeah.
However, during summers, we have got dedicated water supply.
Drip or sprinklers? Sprinkler ऊपर से
Sprinkler,
from top.
Not from top. It will
Acha.
be by hand.
By hand.
Yes.
But because of this, आपका I think it needs very little. It will retain the moisture.
Yes.
Yes.
This acts as mulch also.
Yes.
So this mulch effect, because of the mulch effect,
Yeah, it
water
looks
retention
nice.
will be-
Yeah, it shows also properly.
So it is helping two ways.
Yeah.
Aesthetically also.
Same star.
Yes.
This is okay. This is actually this roof. We can see the application of lime is also done. Air conditioners over there. Actually, these are exotic varieties. as I've already told you earlier that they came from Kalimpong, Pune, Kadiam, Shirdi. So temperature there is approximately 30 to 35 degrees in peak summers also. So in summers, here temperature is approximately 54. So we have to reduce that temperature. So at the difference of approximately 20 to 25 degrees, we have to obtain during peak summers. So for that, this glass house has been created.
Now, like the winters are coming.